with the Hoth. Prop firm discounts. Let me see what else I can find. I'm live on the stream. I don't know if anyone's actually watching, but I am live. Let me see what else. Prop firm review. Well, I don't know. I mean, like I just typed in prop firm discounts in the chat, and I mean in the search, and it just, it gave me that, but then it just started talking about specific service, agents, whatever, brokers or whatever. I'll send you some though. Yeah, no, you were asking for keywords, right? So I'm looking. I'm looking, pal. But definitely that one, the one I told you about. Yeah. Prop firm reviews. Definitely. I see a couple of people are on the stream. What's up? Say what's up in the chat. I'm just working on something. I'm on the phone with my business partner. We're talking about some stuff that we do in our little business of ours. But I'm watching the charts, waiting for some more people to come on. You got to do it all over again. Let me check our email, see if it's in there. Like an order, like a confirmed order or something. Oh. We good? What do we got in these queues? Shit is running so fucking shitty. I think we're going up to this next pivot point. You could take that to the bank. What, with the Hoth? Trade evade? Oh, well, there you go. Yeah. Oh shit, we rejecting again off this hourly. Got the 300 moving average right there, and the hourly pivot point serving as strong resistance so far. So far. All right, dude, let me go. I'll hit you up in a little while. Peace. What's up, guys? Whoever's watching, say what's up in the chat. Can you hear me? Yeah. All right. Marco, Trevor, what's up, fellas? What's going on? What is going on? This is what I did so far today. I had this fucking take profit trader account up 480 or something. I was just under 2,000. Just under 2,000. Then we hit the pivot point here on the NQs, on the hourly. I played for the rejection. It pops back up. I think I played the 200. I think I got in first here at the 200. And then I added because are you fucking serious? Hold on, I'll tell you guys in a minute. My wife's calling me from her job. Hang out, hang out. I'll tell you what I did. Just to say, I nuked another Take Profit Trader account, bro. Hold on a sec. Hey, babe, you're on the stream. I don't have you on speaker. Don't worry. How's your day going so far? Okay. Yeah, I just started. Waiting for some people to pop in. A couple of my homies popped in so far. Waiting for some more. And yeah, that's what I got going on. You good though? All right. You sure? Okay. Anyone try to talk you out of it? Whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Well, probably one of the best people they've ever had, in recent years, except for maybe Urelli. Yeah. No. Oh, go. Well, go. Yeah, go talk to him. I mean, you kind of already said yes to the other thing, but go talk to him. What's up, X Trader? All right. They're probably busy. Maybe you could convince them to let you do part time and do both. Uh, well, yeah. See if you could get in there, at least to talk to the other people. Yeah. Well, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, you're not contractually obligated. All right, babe. Let me go because I gotta talk. I gotta talk to some people about what I'm doing here. Gotta talk to my people. All right, babe. I love you. Bye. What's up? You know, it's funny. If I didn't start the stream yet, if I didn't start the stream yet, if I was just waiting to start the stream for another half hour, she wouldn't have called me until I started the stream. But anyway, so yeah, I fucking X Trader. You're gonna love to see this. I was up like $500 in this account, and I was just under 2,000, being up 2,000. I should have stopped. Of course, I should have stopped. And then I fucking nuked. I nuked this fucking thing. Nuked this Take Profit Trader account. So I know you hate the daily loss limit, but you know what? You know what the secret is to Take Profit Trader? Don't fucking trade like an idiot and get to the point. You should file a fucking yeah. At that point, you file a chargeback. But anyway, yeah. I mean, in terms of Take Profit Trader, guys, the secret to Take Profit Trader and their shitty daily loss limit is don't trade like a fucking idiot and get even close to that daily loss limit. You'll be fine. You know, trade more intelligently, which I can't say I did. I was doing fine. I was up almost $2,000 overall. Now I got to fucking start over, which I'm about to reset. But I wanted some people to see that. Now I'm just what are we? Now I'm just waiting for another setup. Also, I haven't refreshed the payments page on Apex, so I'm on this. I still have my, I requested the withdrawal last night for lucky number 57, and it's payout status is pending. I don't know how long it takes to flip to approve, but I do want to refresh this. So I want to make a video of me refreshing it. So I don't know. Maybe I'll just clip whatever's going on in here. But the other way I can know, the other way to tell if it was approved is right now. I have to refresh anyway because I flipped these two accounts that I got over yesterday. I paid the performance account fee for them, so they're now funded. They're number 64 and 65, but I haven't refreshed the trade of it yet because I was just waiting. So I didn't trade 57 at all today. I'm not trading 57. I don't know if I want to trade 57 at all until I know the fucking payments are through, but I don't know how long it takes. And I don't want to miss the next available withdrawal period, which is the 15th to the 20th. And, today, tomorrow, tomorrow might be the last day before you could get your 10 days in. So, but I did trade 63. 63 is up 350. That was one trade, one or two trades. And I'm done with that. I'm not trading that anymore. Hold on. Look at all this. Uh, I don't like. Let's look at take profit trader. The 100K, 50K is. I think 50K is fine. Just don't. You know, don't trade like a dummy. I mean, you're in Astoria, dude. I grew up in Valley Stream. You know where Valley Stream is, ex trader? So let's see what Take Profit Trader says about their 100K. The issue with the 100K is you got to go up a ton, you know? Um, that's the biggest thing. What's up, Lefty? What's up, Lefty? Yeah. So like Valley Stream, they call Valley Stream Valley Queens. If you think about it, it was literally if you're going into Queens, yeah, exactly, bro, exactly. You know the Green Acres Mall. I lived right across the street from it. I would cross Sunrise Highway to. I would walk. I was on the last block before Sunrise Highway. I would go under the train tracks from the Long Island Railroad, cross Sunrise Highway, and I'd be at the mall. That was my block. But yeah, they would call Valley Stream Valley Queens because it was the last town. It was the first town outside of Queens if you were going into Long Island from the city, and it was it was the first town, the last town going into the city, the first town coming out of the city. So they call it Valley Queens, and like everybody, all of my friends that I grew up with, all that I'm still boys with to this day. All of our parents were from Brooklyn and Queens. All of them. Everybody was from Brooklyn and Queens. My mom was from Park Slope. Uh, my dad's from Far Rockaway. Pretty funny. Yeah, probably. If you took like Merrick Boulevard, you probably would have stayed on Conduit, but maybe not. I don't know. If you took like Merrick Boulevard, which became Merrick Road, and you were going to come into the mall, a lot of people would drive up my block from Merrick Road, and there was a Ford dealership and an A&P on the corner. They would turn on that block and come up. That was my street, and then they would go under the trestle, the train tracks, and then cross over Sunrise Highway and like Caldor was right there. Nobody Beats the Wiz, which neither one of those are there. And then the mall is right there too. Pretty crazy. All right, so let's look at this. Sorry, Marco, got on a tangent. Now let's get to the sizes. All right, so 50K, 1100 daily loss limit. These fucking dogs, man. It's like go lay down, go lay down. Why do you want to go out now? You want to go out now because I'm on the stream, right? You just find anything. So like it's not as bad. I mean, you have $2,200 daily loss limit is. What if because you could trade 12 contracts, you go in 12 deep because you're having a moment and you basically are at that point you're on full tilt. If you're going 12 contracts deep, you're on full tilt. Anyway, I have dogs. They're annoying. They wait for me to do stuff. They wait for me to do stuff. They wait for me to sit down and get on the stream to want me to let them out and fill their water. Just like my wife, she calls me as soon as I get on the stream. But if I didn't get on the stream for another half hour, she wouldn't have called me until I got on the stream in a half hour. Anyway, yeah. So the 100K, Marco, I don't know. You have to trade it like a 50K, but now you have to go up $6,000. You know, which also means you, which also means you got to go up higher to qualify for a payout. I like the one like I don't know if I would do it here. I like the 150Ks, but 50K is the best one as far as I'm concerned. 25K is the absolute worst. I would never go near a 25K. Look at the daily loss limit. It's only 500, right? Which is less than half of a 50K. It doesn't even make sense to do a 25K. I know the profit target is lower, but man, you could lose $500 with one flash dump, even in one micro. You get caught in a flash dump of 100 points. Well, it would have to be like 250 points. But who's trading one micro in a test account? Nobody. What up, Bobby? So that's my 2 cents about what size account is the best. I don't really know. I don't know if they go any bigger. They might. That might be the biggest for now. I think that's the biggest. I don't know. I know Apex goes up higher, but like the 75K, I wouldn't even fuck with I wouldn't. Yeah, fuck the 75K. 50K, I guess 100K would be okay. 150K, but man, if you mess up, I mean, right now you can save 40% using my coupon code. So Marco, if you wanna take Profit Trader a try, use the coupon code ZERODAYJAY. ZERODAYJAY will get you 40% off and $0 upgrade fee once you pass your test. But if you get a 100K account at 40% off, 330 times 40, it's going to cost you $132, which isn't. Oh no, it's going to take $132 off. So minus 130. What does that make that? Like 198, $200. It's going to cost you $200. You better pass it on the first try because 200 is a lot for one test account. That's why the 50K is good. I think the 50K is the best one for a lot of reasons. Um, just be careful. Just don't do what I do sometimes, often, more than sometimes, and fucking fuck yourself. I was right around $2,000 overall on day two. Now I got to start all over again. This time I'm going to be more responsible. I promise. I swear. Yeah, the 50 will cost you like $102. You pass the test, you don't pay the $130 upgrade fee, which is awesome with if you use, with the promotion they're running right now. So let's see. I don't want to do it yet here because I want to make a video of it flipping to approve. Like I'm going to make a screen capture video saying, here I am waiting for this thing to approve. Let me refresh to see if it's approved. But I don't know if it's approved now because I have to refresh. I paid the performance fee for these two evals that I got over yesterday. So I got to refresh Trade Evade, my Apex Trade Evade, so I could have all of my funded accounts and I could start trading them. Maybe. I don't know if I'm going to trade. I don't know where we're at. I'm going to have to trade them. I might just go small. But then I'll know because right now 57 is still showing. 57 is still showing my full trailing max drawdown. So that tells me that they haven't approved the payout request yet. But I haven't refreshed this page since I logged in a few hours ago. So let me try. I'm going to try it right now. I'm going to refresh. Let's see if I got approved. All right. Let's see here. I don't know if I got approved yet. I don't know. I heard it takes some time. Yeah, I haven't been approved yet. See? So like I'm a little nervous about trading this. I don't want to like go under and then they go and look and be like, well, you're under now. So I might leave this one alone. Like in terms of the calendar, in terms of like having enough time in. Let me go to the calendar. Because now we're on a new trading cycle to, get accounts up to qualify for withdrawal. So the 15th is the first day you can request a withdrawal and you have until the 20th. So let's see, it would be, if I started, I might not trade this account until Monday because I want them to fucking approve that shit. And I don't want to do anything stupid. So so if I start Monday, that's 1, 2, that's 5, 10, and then I can request on the 20th, you know? Or if I start, maybe tomorrow it'll be approved and I can start on Friday. I would like to do that, but I'm not going to trade today. I don't think I'm going to trade in that one today. I got these other ones I got to trade. So now I have these four. 63, I'm already done with this one. This one's up 350 through today. This is day 2. So I am perfectly fine with that. I'm up almost $1,000 through 2 days. Nothing wrong with that. 64 and 65 I have not traded yet. They're brand spanking new. So now I need to see what's going on with where we were at. I don't know. We're kind of in no man's land for me to want to trade right now. And with this is the hourly. Have we? Well, actually, we're approaching a pivot point on the Qs on the 5 and 15. So I will go short when we get here, which will probably get here as soon as we're approaching power hour. Every time you get to a new hour, the market starts moving around more than it has been. It gets a little crazy, which is fine. But I think we'll hit the pivot point, maybe pop over it a little bit, and we'll get a rejection. Let me get the NQ out of the hourly now that we've gone through these areas of resistance. We had the 200, the 300 right above the pivot point. I'm going to go back to the 5. Man, my shit is moving so slow today. It's really starting to get on my nerves. It's from the stream. I don't know. Something's draining the resources. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's this. That's like the best thing that ever was created. The iChat. If you iChat on Macs for texting, I text mostly through my computer because I type so much faster than I do, on a phone. So we got 10 people on right now. I guess they didn't get notifications. I don't know. Yesterday I had a record amount of people on. I had 33 people on. So I don't. I mean, whatever. It's cool. I'm cool with whoever's on. Maybe more people will pop in during power hour. But yeah, I'm just. So here's the pivot point on the 5 and 15 for the NQ. It's pretty much in about the same place. This is running so fucking slow. Jesus. That is not good. Why? I need to close out more shit. It's never like this. Yeah, here we go. 17,690. I bet we hit 17,700 and then reject off of that. Oh, we're right there. Let's see. Oh, not even close to 690. Jesus Christ, why is this moving so fucking slow? Such lag. I gotta restart this thing, but I'm not doing it now, obviously, because can't restart while I'm on the stream. But this is running like dog shit. Dog shit. Oh man, it almost hit it. Is that the rejection? It wasn't even. Oh my god. Look at that. Just miss hitting the pivot point, and then we're already rejecting. Oh my god. That's a nice little dump right there. $71.50. New high. It literally dropped like 16, 17 points. This thing is moving so fucking slow. Trackpad. Maybe I could. Tracking speed. Let me move my tracking speed up a little bit. I don't think it's going to matter though because this thing is just running like shit. All right, so let me close this out. Let me close. I gotta close more tabs out because this is just driving me crazy. Gotta refresh this fucking shit show. I wonder if it's because I uploaded a video right before I went live. Dom C, what's up, man? What's going on? Just waiting for this new hour to flip. Let me refresh this because I fucked that account. Look at that, it's gone. They don't let you keep nuked evals, nuked text accounts, and take profit trader. Damn, was that the fucking? I think we're gonna bounce. Oh, I missed it. Yeah, be patient, Dom, because what I just did, I was up like 480. I was just under 2,000 overall on my second day, and we hit a pivot point on the hourly on the NQ. Actually, I thought we were gonna reject at the 200, which was just under it, and then the 300 was the next level. So I just sized up too quick. I got in with two. I should have got in with one, and then sized up one at a time. I sized up two at a time. I gave up all my gains, and it got my went over by like $26 of the fucking daily loss limit, Dom. And then right after I got taken out and the account got nuked, it fucking confirmed my fucking what I thought was going to happen. But that's what I get for sizing up too much. People say, guys will say that their daily loss limit is bullshit and yada yada yada. And yeah, it does kind of suck, but just trade better. Myself included, obviously. Like if you're not trading like an idiot, you should be fine. That's all. That's how I see it. They do stuff like that, because they know people are going to trade like idiots. But then there's gives and takes with these prop firms. They give you the ability to pull money out on day one. So I'm willing to deal with their daily loss limit, knowing I can pull money on day one. So that's that as far as that's concerned. I got this brand new one again. Exactly, it actually forces you to be a better trader. They don't update their dashboard. Yeah, dude. What's up, Aukie? What's going on? Yeah, they don't update they're super delayed, man. One time it never updated at all. I'm like, yo, can you update this so I could upgrade so I could go pro with my account that I got over? Took them forever, and it was during like one of those meeting things, and they said they basically wouldn't let new people trade on purpose. It seemed like that's the impression I got. It conveniently wasn't working when the market was going absolutely berserk. That was a few weeks ago. Back in the day when I had a fucking pro take profit trader account. Yeah. Yeah, the 50K I think is the best one, but the 150K isn't bad. But you could, if you size up too much, yeah, that's 680, 690 is basically, well, here's the pivot point on the Qs. And then here's the pivot point on the NQ. The NQ pivot point, damn, this shit is running so slow. The NQ's pivot point is about 67688. But I could also see us going up to 700 because it's a psychological level and then rejecting there. So just be careful. Don't go in your regular size at that level that you just posted. You know what I mean? Just in case it pushes through and hits that psychological level. I'm just waiting here. But yeah, that is I mean, sell one. This is about the pivot point on the NQs. I just don't know if I want to. which one is going to be stronger. I mean, the market's been really slow today too. I think it's it's like the post FOMC hangover. Like yesterday, the market went crazy. It went up like almost 400 points and then came right back down the same amount. Is this what's happening? It's too early to tell. I bet we pop. I could be wrong, but maybe I'll take a shot here at the 34s. Fuck it. See what happens. Yeah. Even one, yeah, you can make more than you make. Yeah, I mean, let's see what happens. I'll get taken out where the fucking right. If I oh well, let's see what happens. I don't want to go down too much. This is a brand new funded account right here. Seeing if my 34 holds. My beloved 34 on the 1. It hasn't hit it in a while. There's the 8. We're at the 8 on the 5. So we're kind of looking at a rejection off the Qs, the pivot point on the Qs. I mean, we didn't hit it though. We got real close. I think we go back up though. Obviously, I think we go back up because I'm in fucking long. I would love to get taken out here. I'll take 20 points. If I get taken out here, I'm done trading in this account. Yeah. Yeah. Go big, then cry about it later, right? Let me edit the title of this video. Get rid of this restream shit. Let me get a thumbnail in there. Let me get my trusty thumbnail. I don't know if it doesn't look like it's happening for me. I had a chance to get out at what? What was I up? That wouldn't have been that bad. It was like $65. I wasn't even fucking paying attention. What an idiot. It's all right. It is what it is. I still think I'll be okay. Perhaps, maybe, possibly. Oh shit, let's go. Is that going to be resistance? Please don't be resistance. Push through that shit. Hey, for those of you that just I want what am I at 49? Take me out basically. This is just below the pivot point on the Qs. This order right here. That's all I want. And then if we get over that and we hit the pivot point on the NQ, I'm going to play short in the other account actually. I'm going to cancel this order. I don't need that. I just need this. And I'll be good with that. That'll be 21 points, 21 and a half points. There we go. You hitting it? Come on, hit it. I'm not putting a fucking stop loss in and getting taken out of the stop loss like always. There we go. See, I move my stop up to lock in gains. It will literally come down and hit it, take me out, and then go and hit that fucking that spot. No, I'm paying myself fucking for something. Maybe. Let's see. Gotta hit that. Whoa, what the fuck? I almost hit that sell ask. I'm sorry for my computer lagging so much today. I don't know why. I mean, I haven't restarted it in fucking ages. Here we go. Here we go. Hit it. Hit it, then quit it. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Boom. Shooter McGavin style. Yes. All right. I'm done trading that account. One trade. See? It's possible to not have to make too many trades. You just got to time your spots or, get the right setup. It's all about the right setup. I mean, this could have dumped here, but I've learned that at the 34, these two lines right here, you got the 34. The white one is the 34 SMA. The teal one is the EMA. A lot of times you look add it to your chart on the 1 minute, you'll see there's always bounces and rejections off of it. So it's good to play, and big ones, not just like little 5 to 6 point scalp opportunities, which there will be plenty of those. But look at this move. You know, I mean, it dipped under it a little bit, but let's just say, I mean, it went up 30 points. It was from the bottom, not including the wick. From my order, from where I was, it went up like 26 points. Pretty crazy. And boom, now look what's happening. I wish I went in short in the next account. We hit the fucking pivot. We hit the pivot point on the Qs, and now we're rejecting right off of it. I mean, that's another opportunity to trade right there. Pivot points are fucking money. But I think we might go up to the other pivot, the next pivot point. Yeah, and that's real money if I can make it to the withdrawal period. Now I could say that I have done that. I've definitely done that. I finally have gotten to the point where I could get paid. Like I have a payout pending right now in my Apex account. Lucky number 57. So it's pending. Account is active still. I'm not trading that account for a couple of days. I'll wait until Monday if I have to. Because, you could, if I trade it and I go down below the fucking threshold, then I won't be eligible for a payout anymore. And they haven't reviewed it yet. They're actually like, they make you wait because they're hoping that you do that. I can guarantee you people do that all the time. So I'm not going to be that guy. Hey, we got 16 people watching now. What's up? Hey, Ree. So did I. Did you get approved yet? How long does it, I know you've been paid before. How long does it usually take to, oh yeah, good job. Can't wait. I can't wait to be able to request 4K and more. But we'll get there. I got 2K right here chilling, waiting to be approved. How long does it take for them to approve, usually? I know I'm sure like the more you request, the faster they approve, but this is my first request, so I think they're hoping that I try trading in the account and fucking go under. So I'm not going to. I'm going to wait. What's going on here? All right, so now, see, that was a good opportunity, though. That would have been. Is this pivot point going to hold? No, I think we're going to the pivot point on the NQ. But that was a 76.25 to. I mean, that was a 12-point rejection. 12-point pullback. That's enough to get another funded account up a couple $100 and be done with it. So I'm done with this one. Made one trade, in and out, $426, playing the 34 bounce on the 1 minute. I'm making sure I'm out of all of my trades in this account. For those of you that are just tuning in, would they really make you wait that long? I will trade 1 micro at a time. That's crazy. Oh, we got 20 people on. What's up, everybody? What's up, those of you who have just popped in? Hope you're having a good day. Today's kind of been moving a little slow, in the market, post FOMC hangover, I guess. All right, so we're still holding strong at this pivot point on the Qs. Maybe actually we're a little bit over it. So is it going to become support now? Because the next area of resistance, geez, my laptop is running like dog shit. What did I do to it? Nothing. The stream is just killing it today. Anyway, and then I'm streaming from the browser. It's not even like I'm running OBS. All right, so that's awesome, Ree. Yeah, that should be. You should have no problem with that 4th account. I mean, you're a savage. You've been killing it. There we go. So NQ 690. Let me get my order in for 690. I think we hit 700 though, but I will take a shot. Not with this account. This account. I'm done trading in that account. Oh man, just missed hitting it. I'm done trading in this account. This one I got up 350. No need to trade that one anymore. Done for the day. That's the biggest thing I'm working on, is just being done for the day once I get up. I've been disciplined with that for a bit, but then I fall into some bad habits. So What's up, Marcus? Yeah, I know. Or just having a better, or just having something with more memory and power. Um, it's never this bad. Today is really bad for some reason. Um, but yeah, if I do that, I'd have to angle it. Like I do have this laptop, so I'm watching the chat right now. I'm watching the chat with my other MacBook Pro from 2015. I bought this one in 2016 new. The one I'm using right now, I bought a couple, 2 or 3 years ago, used. It's been great, but today's just running like shit. So, all right. So is this support right here? That's basically support now. Look. So I'm basically monitoring the chat here, making sure I could hear myself and all that, making sure the audio's good. But yeah, I'd have to like add cameras and shit and like point it at. Oh, look, back underneath we're below. So damn. See, we got this pivot point holding pretty strong right now. I think we go up to the next pivot, the NQ's pivot point. But I'm not forcing anything. I'm chilling. I'm just waiting, just hanging, just hanging. PA1, 14K, yeah, 14K cushion. PA2, 8K cushion. Yeah, you're gonna be fine. Oh, we playing this bounce here again? We're gonna get a 34 bounce? I don't know. Oh, too late. Am I gonna get the same exact result as I did with the other trade? In number 64, I entered right here at 49 and I took it up to 76.25, I think, or something like that. I took it up 20 something points and then I was done. So let's see if I get the same result here. I don't need it to go up. Like this would be perfect. I don't know if I'm going to get it though. Uh-oh. Maybe I should have locked in gains up. Look at that 9 projection off the 9. Is that the pivot point? Uh-oh. Yeah, I think it hit the pivot point again. I should have taken that. Oh, man. You got the 9, you got the 8 MA right there. Hopefully that's support. We kind of did reject off the pivot point on the NQ. It didn't quite hit it, though. Like, it didn't hit it. It's actually a couple points below it, but I don't know. It's a few points. It's like 3 or 4 points below it. Let's see. 57 to 78 is 400 bucks. I'm going to be a little fucking greedy and go up a little higher. We got to get over this 9, though. Right there. Got to get over the 9. Good, man. Are you still? What's up, Tactical? How you doing, bro? Are you still in 25K accounts, or you bumped it up to 50K accounts? I hope you did 50K. Those 25Ks, the the math is the numbers aren't the numbers are less the least in your favor with that size account, and it's not even that much cheaper. Should I just take? Maybe I should have just taken that. Oh, I might have been up. How much was I up? Might have been up like 150. I think. I mean, I think we're going up. I don't know. Got to hit that pivot point and then reject. Didn't quite hit it. We're over the. We're bait. Well, the pivot point. Are we back over on the Qs? The pivot point is resistance. We popped over the pivot point on the Qs. Thought we were going to continue to the NQ. We almost did hit the NQ pivot point. Came just a little short. Now this might be resistance here, but we're going to find out. I might take profit soon. I mean, shit. I mean, my sell order is basically right at that same spot. I'm gonna get fucking taken out at that sell order. But I'm gonna fucking, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go against my better judgment and be responsible and lock in gains here. But it's going to come down and hit it and then pop and go and hit that fucking take profit order because that's what happens when I raise my stop to lock in gains. Okay, well that's, hey, tactical. That's responsible. 3 micros at a time. It's going to take longer, but you know what? You only have to go up to 1,500. So good job. I wouldn't even trade them anymore. They're all up. Don't trade them anymore. Look, see, I'm going to get fucking taken out there. Oh my God. Good thing I removed it because if I didn't remove it, it was going to come down and hit it because it always does. I want, just give it to me. Give it to me right here. Oh no, don't do it. Don't do it. I mean, it wouldn't be the worst thing in the world to lock in like 200 bucks. What's 200? 9. Oh shit. See? Motherfucker. Do I fucking, if I don't put the stop in there, it blows it dumps. If I do put the stop in there, it hits it and then bounces right off of it. Look at this. What an idiot. That's what I get. No. Bouncing off the 34 again. Oh my God. I gave all of that back. What a fucking idiot. I just wanted a few more points. I wasn't being too greedy. 57 to 73. I mean, shit, I was up 320. I should have just taken it. Now look at me. What an idiot. The pivot point rejection reigns supreme on the cues. We'll see what happens here. Might as well add here because that would be fucking smart. This is probably going to be resistance now, maybe. I don't know. It's power hour, so who the fuck knows? That's all right. Oh, I'm Jamila. Don't worry about me. You know me. I was up 3. How are you doing, by the way, Jamila? I was up. What was that? 74, 73, 75, 74. I was up 340 bucks and I didn't fucking take it. And I could have put my stop in. If I would have put my stop in, it would have taken me out for my gain and then bounced off of it. But because I didn't, I got rid of it. Now I'm gonna get fucked completely. But I'm not gonna let myself get fucked too bad. I will just take the L and then regroup and wait for the next fucking opportunity. Like a responsible person. Or maybe I'll add. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I won't be responsible. But this is a new funded account. This is brand new. I'm just holding. I just, you know, I didn't get what I wanted, so now I'm being stubborn, Jamila. You know what I'm talking about. What's up, Jacob? Well, I should have. I was only asking for another 6 points. I was asking for the orb. You know? Shoulda, coulda, woulda, Jacob. 170 trades between 3 accounts. That's a lot of trading. Yeah. I started another TPT also. I'm not. I'm gonna keep trading, take profit trader until they pay me, until I get paid. You know, the biggest thing about take profit trader is like people shit on their daily loss limit. Just don't trade irresponsibly. Don't size up when it's not going your way. I mean, that's the biggest thing. That's what I do. I size up, and that's why I nuke them. I was up 2,000. I was up just under 2,000 overall on day 2 today. I'm gonna trade that account in a little bit. I want to get out of this trade and be done. Yeah, I removed my. You saw that? You saw that, Jamila? Yeah, because I knew if I put the stop there, it would have hit it and then bounce off of it. But I took it off, so I got this dip. But you know what? Now I'm up 115 again. I don't know. I'm not gonna let myself lose money on this position. So I'm gonna fucking. There's the 34. I'm gonna I'm gonna put I'm gonna put my stop back up here for you, Jamila, and I'll just lock in $100 or 90 or whatever that would end up being, and then it's gonna bounce and hit this take profit that I have in place, which is 17,680. What's an express account? Does that mean like you paid extra to be funded instantly? I'm looking into trade day. I know that you're not the first person to I've known about it. I just haven't traded with them because, like, I'm trading right now with Apex and Take Profit Trader. I do want to add more, but it's been I paid a sizable amount of tuition learning how to trade the NQ futures and play this prop firm game. So I'm not trying to spread myself too thin with being in a bunch of different. But yeah, I like trade day. I like Top Step. I had a bad experience with Top Step at first. I never actually got to trade with them, but I'm going to give them another try. It was basically my fault, but the fact that they weren't very helpful kind of turned me off to them months ago. So I said fuck it, and I just moved on. But yeah, I'm back. Look, I'm back in the same spot. Is this resistance? Is that the top? Is that the fucking orb? We're blowing through this orb. I'm telling you. Yeah, we're right at the orb. Not the orb. The pivot point. Right at the pivot point on the Qs. We're blowing through it. It can only hold so many times. But just in case, let me fucking move my stop up and lock in more gains. I'll lock it in for you guys so you don't watch me do anything embarrassing. Oh, here we go. Look, Jacob. I got you. I got your supply zone right here. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Oh, come on, hit it one time for me. I'm locking in more. I'm locking in more. I'm raising it. Raising the stop. I'm going to get taken out right there, and then it's going to fucking hit my take profit. We going to do it before? Come on, let's go. One time. One time for the stream. Come on, baby. Oh, get up there. Make me proud. Make me proud. Boo. 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 All right, so remember, 17,680.50. Remember that number. It's going to hit it right now. I got taken out. It's going to fucking hit it in like any minute. I'm exiting. But you know what? Look, this is day one of a brand new funded account. I'm good. I'm up $306. I have to trade another, the next withdrawal period isn't the next withdrawal period isn't until the 15th. So like, yeah. Yeah, what was I up more? I was up like 380. I was up 400, I think. But you know what? That was a responsible fucking thing to do. And now it's going to hit it. Here it comes. 17,680.50. Here it comes. I have not. I know. I know about Earn to Trade. I have not tried them yet. There's so many of them. Traders Evolve. Thanks, Jacob. Yeah, I used to put. I used to have. I used to put. What the hell is it called? Lux Algo Smart Money Concepts. I used to have that on the chart. It would show you the supply and demand zones, which was pretty cool. I did that more when I was like sucking at options trading, but that's a whole nother fucking story, and I don't feel like getting into it. I just sucked at it. I would, it was basically the same thing. I wouldn't lock in gains, and I would fucking just wreck positions. But I like prop firms because, all you're losing is your tuition. But anyway, wow, we got 25 people watching now. It started off a little slow. Thanks, guys, for coming by and hanging out. If you're looking at the bottom of the screen, you see my coupon codes flashing across it. If you want to give Take Profit Trader a try or you need to get a new account, use my coupon code ZERODAYJAY. You will get 40% off your next test account or your first test account and $0 upgrade fee. And then my Apex, Apex, they're full on degenerates like us. Their 80% promo code, 80%, off eval sale was supposed to end on the 30th of April. And what do? In true Apex fashion, they extend it for another 30 days. So for 80, for, you get 80% off evals. It seems like that's going to be the deal from now on. 80% off any size eval and 1 day to pass forever until the end of May or whatever. But you can use my coupon code, which is this annoying thing. I'm still waiting for them to give me a whatchamacallit, uh, a custom one. They're kind of being annoying about it. But anyway, that's my coupon code for Apex. That's my coupon code for Take Private Trader. If you want to support the channel, just the fact that you're here, you're supporting the channel, and I really appreciate you for hanging out. And yeah, if you don't use my coupon code, no big deal. I'm cool. We're still cool no matter what. Longs coming in. Yeah, well, I mean, I think we're gonna, 700s, anytime we get near like the hundreds, 700 is a key psychological level. We got this pivot point right here around 88, right? We just missed hitting it. I mean, we kind of rejected off of here. We didn't actually hit it though. We went down from 80, 86, 85 to fucking, I mean, that was a 30-point dump almost. But we're gonna hit it. I think we're gonna get over this pivot point on the Qs finally. Yeah, there we go. Now that's gonna be support. And then, we're gonna bounce back and forth. We're gonna consolidate between, this is what I think is gonna happen. I could be wrong. But we're gonna consolidate between this pivot point on the Qs. Oh my God, my dog is ripping them. I got one of my dogs is laying right by my feet and is just ripping them while he's taking his little nap. What's up, Shub? Yeah, I think we're gonna see. This is basically the pivot point on the Qs where we're at right now, and then this is the pivot point on the NQ. I feel like we might be just bouncing back and forth between them until we get to the the 1250 algo candle. And you know what? I'm glad I'm done trading in my Apex account, because why? I don't think it's worth risking funded accounts, PA accounts, these four that I have, on fucking algo candles at the end of the day. You got the 1250 and the 350 and the 355 algo candle. What happened, Jacob? What'd you say, man? I missed what you wrote. You guys don't have to retract the message if it was like incorrect or whatever, or you change your mind. Just write in again, be like, oh, my bad, I meant to say this or whatever. Because now I don't know what you said. Maybe you say something about my mama? Don't talk about my mom like that, man. Oh, you hear that crack? Anyway, yeah, so now we're just like hanging right at the pivot point on the Qs. Look at that, just chilling. I mean, we're up one point, almost 1.5% today. So I can't see it going up much more. You still think longs? Yeah, I mean, I think so too. I just don't know how much higher. I would say 700. Dude? Thanks, Aukie. You see me on days, well, you missed it. I nuked my fucking Take Profit Trader account in fucking degenerate fashion. But I got a new one. This is going to be the last new one that I'm going to need. All right. But anyway, let me go back to this and wait for this to figure out, the market to figure out what it wants to do. I'm probably going to bounce here, or maybe we dump. 1230 candle, half hour left, but this is where I'm at so far today in my Apex account. I have not traded in this one at all, and I won't. I'm perfectly fine with not trading this one, because this is the account that I got over. I requested a withdrawal. What am I doing? I requested a withdrawal, and I have, it's still pending. So I'm not, and you know how I know it's still pending? Because my trailing max drawdown is still this. If it was approved, I mean, and I could, if it was approved, I could, this would change to 655 because I requested 2,000, as you can see here. So it's going to take a couple of days. There it is right there. I made the request last night. I'll refresh here just to see. It's probably going to stay still pending. I do want to make a video of me, going in here and refreshing the page, and then it flips to approved. That'll be pretty cool for the channel, for some social proof and just for my personal satisfaction. What's up, Inversionista? Yeah, It's probably going to go down because we're stretched to the upside. Um, we got this pivot point right here. I could see us rejecting off of this pivot point, and if we don't reject off of this pivot point, you got 700 right above it, which is a nice psychological level. We worked so hard to get back to 700, and I think it's just gonna, as a reward for hitting 700, it's gonna fucking dump, you know, 50 points or something or more. And we're right at the pivot point on the Qs, and it's holding pretty strong. I just think we're gonna get over it and then reject a little higher where the NQ pivot points are. Yeah, man. That's what it's. Yeah, you probably lucky. I've been there, man. 3,300 is a daily loss limit on 150K, I believe. Oh wow, what a rejection off the pivot point. I just wasn't sure. So better off. You're not sure. You're better off not taking it. You could take a shot. I mean, I would take a shot with a test account. I was too busy talking and showing this, but yeah, I'm not touching this account today. I'm okay with that. This was day two. This is day two on this funded account, up another 350, which is awesome. Basically one or two trades. This is day one of this account. This was one trade. I just did it on the stream right here. A bounce off the 34. A bounce off the 34 on the 1 minute. Right there. Boom. 430 bucks. And then let me make sure my computer's running like dog shit right now. It's really kind of annoying. All right. Make sure I'm out of everything. Oh, are we dumping now? Was that it? The cube, the pivot point on the Q's finally held? Wow. And then number 65 is brand new as well. I just made a trade and got $306 from it after fees. So didn't quite get exactly what I wanted. I wanted 80.50. Didn't quite get there. But I'm perfectly fine with that. I raised my stop like a responsible, degenerate prop firm trader and got 310 before fees. So I'm perfectly fine with that. It was one trade, just took a little while. And let me just make sure I'm out of everything in this account. I'm pretty sure I am, but you never can be too sure, especially with funded accounts. Just got to make sure. And then I know I didn't enter any trades in here, but I'm going to do it anyway because it's the right thing to do, people. Got to make sure. Got to make sure. And then I don't remember if I did it for 63, so we'll do one for good measure, just, gotta make sure you're not, if you want to be done trading in an account. If you're done trading in an account, always make sure you go to this exit all positions, cancel all. Last thing you want is to think you're done, feeling great. You walk away, you go do something else. You go, shake hands and kiss some babies or whatever. And then you come back or you get the email later on and they saying, congratulations, you fucking nuked your fucking funded account. Here's your 80% discount code, one-time use. That's not even any better than what we're offering anyway. So that's why I do it a million times. So I think I'm done. I'm done with Apex. Let's move on to fucking Take Profit Trader. Where are we at on the chart? That would have been a nice fucking play right there, though. Look at this. 80. We're already down 30 points. I could have been done trading in that account. Yeah, that was Dom C. 80 held. Yeah, that was the look. I mean, look at the Qs. That was the pivot point. It actually, I thought we were going to get up a little higher and hit the pivot point on the NQ, but it didn't even get there. Now, maybe we get a bounce at this fractal, at this trend line, which is also just above the upper VWAP band. We haven't been anywhere near VWAP. Here's the top orb on the Qs. Imagine if we come all the way down to the top orb, fucking calling Granny up and backing up and have her back up the truck. Yesterday you were red 421, but today you're up 465. So I'm at, hey, that's good, man. So you're basically back where you started, plus a little bit more. That's great. Could be worse. You could have nuked it. Yeah, bro. I just wanted those three. I wanted those 3 extra points that I didn't get, dude. Jacob, I didn't get them. But yeah, I mean, you had a supply zone. I had this pivot point. I mean, they're pretty much doing the same. They're pretty much serving the same purpose at this moment. But you've seen it, bro. Jacob, you've seen supply zones get fucking blown right through. Sometimes it just doesn't matter. But today it mattered. So hopefully you took a good trade short and you made some money on it. But yeah, let's just see what happens here. We're waiting, patiently waiting, like 50 Cent. Got 25 people on the stream. We're all hanging out. Hope we're all making money. Uh, hey, if you're not a subscriber to the channel yet, please subscribe. I stream every single day, sometimes at night too. A lot of times at night, like during the overnight, like a degenerate. If I'm trading, I'll stream late at night. Really depends on what the market's giving me. Last night it was super fucking slow and boring, and I was like, I did make some trades, and I was up in my what used to be my take profit trader account that I just had that I nuked. Um, but yeah, I was so tired. I was exhausted from the night before. I was up till like 4 in the morning on the stream. Just couldn't get off. So yeah, I'll stream at night. I stream at night. I post update videos on how I'm doing. In case you missed the stream or whatever, or you don't see that part where I'm talking about how I did or whatever. So I'm very active, and follow me on my journey, and let's all make money together. Everybody that comes to these live streams, everybody that comes in these live streams are cool. You know what I mean? Oh man. Well, if you're talking about take profit trader, Marcus, just use my coupon code to get a new one. You'll get 40% off. ZERODAYJAY for take profit trader. You get 40% off and $0 upgrade fee. Why use take profit traders code when you could use mine? It's the same deal. Yeah, yeah. There's definitely times that you could do well trading the overnight. It just depends. You just got to watch out and be maybe not trade as big because the algos will come and get you sometimes. You know. Yeah, it doesn't have good volume. Yeah, it's what's up, Saad? Yo, there's another dude in here. Um, you seen X Trader NYC? You seen him comment in here before, right, Saad? He said he's in Astoria right now. I think he's from Astoria. Yeah, I'm in X Trader X NYC is in Astoria. That's funny. That's good. That's good. Hope you use my coupon code. I'm so shameless when it comes to that shit. Whatever. Yeah, from Astoria, man. It's fucking crazy. And then I was like, yo, I told him where I was from, and he knew exactly where I was talking about. He knew the Green Acres Mall. Green Acres is the place to be. That's what they used to have some stupid commercial like in the 80s. Oh, man. You trade right when the market. Yeah, I can see that. What do you trade like the opening range breakout, Jacob? Yeah. Yeah, overnight is definitely a fun time to lose an account. But it's not quite as fun as doing it when you're on a stream live during regular trading hours. Don't ask me how I know. Dude. I literally grew up on the block that you probably would drive up to get to the mall. South Terrace Place. You would turn off of Merrick Road. You would turn off of Merrick Road. You'd make a right from Merrick Road at the Ford dealership. I don't even know if it's still there. There was an A&P right before the Ford deal. You'd make a right. You'd make a right. You'd drive up. You'd go under the train tracks, the trestle, and then you'd cross Sunrise Highway into the mall. I was on that last block, the last block where the train tracks were. What up, Op Man? What's going on, Op Man? Just hanging over here. Just waiting to see if there's I mean, there's going to be another opportunity to trade, but I'm done trading in my Apex account. I'm just waiting to see what I could do in my Take Profit Trader account. Um, Yeah, I don't. What a pullback. This is basically where the pivot point is on the cues. So we're down, a good 30 something points from there, and then from the top we're down another like 10 points from that. We went from 80, 85 down to 26. Holy shit, that's like fucking 60 points. Yeah, I thought we were gonna get to 700 and then reject off of 700, but the pivot point on the Qs held fucking strong. Like there's the pivot point on the Qs. This pivot point on the NQs, I guess you could say held strong too, because it came close, but didn't quite hit it. It was short by a few points, but sometimes like if you want to play the pivot point rejection, you could take, you get in one like just before it, just in case it doesn't hit it, and then you add another one right at it. Maybe you do it with micros. What a dump! Yeah. Well, on Take Profit Trader inversionista, because look, let me load this up. Well, let me see. Are we in a good spot to play a bounce here? I mean, maybe. We got the trend line here. We also have the upper VWAP band right there. I might fucking go long here. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. Oh, it's too late. Yup, too late. I missed it. Damn it. Boo. Yeah, I believe so. I agree. Will I get another chance? Or is it going to be the 200 right here? That's basically the top orb on the Qs. But we bounce right off of this fucking trend line. Go figure. I've been noticing that a lot lately. I don't take the trend line as gospel though, because there's been so many times it blows through the trend line. 655. Man, shit, I would fucking love to just take this to 65 and then be happy. 655 is the 8. Is the 8 MA on the 5. Got the 34 right underneath this trend line. Blah blah blah. Yeah. Yup. Little dead cat bounce. But yeah, I think we hit this top or this upper VWAP band right here. I think we get that low, and that's basically where the top orb is on the Qs. Top orb is right here. Let me see if I can figure out where that is on the chart on the NQs. How many cancels out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I wish there was like some sort of tool or indicator that you could add that tells you what 426.45 is on the NQ. You know what I mean? That would be amazing. I would like to see them like next to each other, because I like watching the cues, but sometimes you don't get the spot just right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So right here, basically. This is, yeah, top orb is basically right where that upper VWAP band is. 17,606. All right. If we hit 17,606, which is basically right at the 200. Here's the 200 on the fucking 1 minute. Here's 17,606. I will take a shot. I don't know if we're going to get there. Fuck. Damn. Close. Did it bounce off of the upper VWAP band on the Qs? Is that what just happened? Oh, it just missed it. Oh, it did. See that? Upper VWAP band bounce. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Missed it. What is that, though? Let me make sure I'm not in any of these fucking orders in TradeAvate in this account. All right. Damn. I just needed a few more points. What a bounce. That's the bounce. We're going to fucking rip. Uh, do I take a shot here short? Fuck it. It's a brand new fucking account. I don't give a fuck. As long as I don't go down 1100 again. It's probably going to go through it though. Yep. Should have taken my 20 bucks. Yeah, we're going to rip. But I go short here thinking we might get a little rejection off the 9. That's why I like, yeah, oh, play with the trend. The trend is your friend. It was for fucking 20 candles until it's not. Let's see what happens here. I don't think so. I don't think I'm gonna. Oh shit! Go ahead, flush it. Oh, we're getting to this fucking algo candle here. Here comes the algo fucking dump. We're getting close to the algo dump. Whatever. Here we go. I get taken out. Now it's gonna dump a million points. I got 40 bucks, guys. 35 after fees. That's how you do it. Obviously, I'm being sarcastic. That is not how you do it. I mean, if you want to make 40 bucks at a time with one contract, I guess that's okay. But I was just protecting myself because, you know, I could see us fucking popping. But we're going to go down more because I got taken out here. I've moved my stop just to lock in some gains. And we're going to go down a bunch more because that's just how it goes. Yeah, it's going to dump off the cliff. It might, bro. Bounce off 50 EMA on 5 minute. You know, a lot of guys use the 50. I might add it just to see. I know I have the 89 in there, but I never look at the 89. I don't even like see it because I have it at a weird color. I might swap out the 89 for the 50 and see, learn about it, learn how it behaves around the 50. Because I know a lot of people that use the 50. Yeah, the 20 and the 50, a lot of people use. Oh, the 200 EMA is where it bounced. That was a 200 EMA. I got the SMA. Shit. Hell yeah, Dom C. Fuck yeah. Yeah, I could split the chart. I haven't actually done that. My account's upgraded enough where I can split the chart. I just never. Is this where you do it? No, that's templates. I forgot how to do it. I'll figure it out, but I'm not going to do it now. That might be the answer. You guys are so smart. Thanks, Marcus. Well, here we are. 1250 algo candle. That was very uneventful. Here we go. Let's see. Is it gonna fucking? Whoops, I'm in the wrong account. Don't want to be doing anything in here because I'm done. Come back down. Let's go. Made 2K in 15 minis. Hell yeah. What on that bounce? Murderbot engaging. The Terminator. Great job, Jacob. Price scale. Oh yeah. Probably not a good time to mess with that though. I don't want to miss it. I don't want to get FOMO. But look at my short. I got out. Don't worry. I got 40 bucks. I got 2 points. I got 2 points. Now we're down another fucking 10 points. That's how you trade a new eval, a new test account. $40 at a time. But oh, inversionista, the reason why I don't like, let me get back to what you were asking about before. The reason I don't like the 25K account for Take Profit Trader is your daily loss limit is $500. Yeah, sure, you only have to go up 1,500 to pass, but your daily loss limit is 500. Every other account is better in terms of the daily loss limit. The 50K is more than twice as much. So if you follow the logic, the 25K is 500. So you would think that the 50K would be 1,000, but the 50K has a loss limit, a daily loss limit of 1,100. It's more than double. So just right there alone, it's better. Um, it, the daily loss limit in terms of the being proportionate to your profit goal is the worst on the 25K in Take Profit Trader. On Apex is really good. It's actually the best ratio. It's just tough. You got to trade smaller and be smarter. On Apex is 20 to 25K. Your daily loss limit. No, there is no daily loss limit, but your trailing max drawdown on a 25K account in Apex is 1,500, and so is the profit goal. It's the best ratio out of every single Apex size, every size Apex eval. The 25K is the best in terms of the ratio, dollar for dollar. In terms of the trailing max drawdown versus the profit goal. But in Take Profit Trader, it's the worst. It's the absolute worst. The only good thing about the Take Profit Trader one is, yeah, the profit goal is lower. But $500 daily loss limit is fucking brutal. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Come on. Now the 9 is holding. The trend is your friend, they say. What size is that account again, Jacob? 15 minis. Jesus. So 15 minis is 300 points, $300 a point. And you said you made like 2K on that trade. So it was like you got 6.5 points. Ooh, Apple earnings after close. Oh man, we're definitely hanging out through that. I want to see it. I want to see the fucking 200-point pump or dump. Yeah, 150K with Top Step. Yeah, 15 is Apex lets you do 17, so you could get $340 a point. All you need is like 27 points to fucking pass in one shot if it goes straight up or down. Oh man, come on. Just fill me. That fucking upper VWAP band is holding so fucking strong. Wow. Can you move any slower? There's the upper VWAP band. I think we're going to the top orb. Did I get filled here? I don't even know. I don't have the fucking sound on. The 34. What are we doing here? Oh, I didn't get filled. You gotta be fucking kidding me. So fucked up. That's so fucked up. Uh-oh, 12:54. 12:54. One more minute. Not even. How much time is left on this candle? 40 seconds. There used to be, I got to figure out how to do it. I used to have sometimes with your trade of charts, like they get fucked up. I used to have it. There's a way to put a timer on here so you could see the candle countdown right on Trade of Eight. I just got to figure out where it is again. Here we go. We're taking shots here. We're taking shots. Oh, fill me. Come on. All right, there we go. It's probably gonna go through it. Oh no, or not. Holy shit. Keep going. I would have liked to have got another one. Shot, 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 shot. I'll lock this in. Boom. Now it's going to go up 30 points. Here comes a 30-point pump. I wanted to get filled at the top orb. But you know what? Beggars can't be choosers. Whoops, I don't want to look at this Trade of Eight and do anything. Boy, at the 9? Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Well, yeah, you got that moving out. I'll short it. You know where I'll short it? Oh, I'll take a shot here at this 34. Love me some 34 rejection. We didn't get one yet since we there and there. Let's see what happens. Got to be careful with Apple. You just never know. Touch trend, retest, may dump. Yeah. Well, that's the 21 on the 1 minute that we're kind of hanging out at. But I like playing a 34 rejection. Faux show. I don't know if we're going to get it, though. Maybe. I just don't want it to blow through it. I mean, if it does, it does. Whatever. I don't want to be anything. I don't want to be in anything when the Apple pump or dump happens. That's for sure. All right, 34 rejection here. Is it going to hold? Too bad it didn't come back and fill me in. So that's the EMA. The teal line is the EMA. The white line is the SMA. So far, the EMA is holding as resistance. Is it going to be a big move down? Let me just fucking lock this in. Oh, fuck, I didn't. Oh, you fucking cocksucker. No. No. Granny, no. We're going to keep going down. I'm fucking locking this in. I'll take a baby gain. I don't care. Better than taking the L, although I wouldn't mind. I'm cool with it coming up here and then rejecting again, but I didn't get a chance to put my stop in and lock in some gains. That happens to me. That happens to me from time to time. I mean, it bounced right off the 9, so now the 9 is basically support at this point. But whatever, I'm locking in gains here. It'll be $70, $100, whatever. Oh, all right, now I'm gonna move this shit down some more to lock in more, because why is this fucking shit is so fucking laggy? There we go. Now it's gonna dump 20 fucking points. Here we go. Here's the dump after me getting taken out. I should patent that. I'm patent pending. Continuation in either direction after I move my stop to lock in gains by a ton of points. Here we go. I got taken out at 31.50, which is a nice trade. I mean, $155 with 1 mini. But watch this. We're gonna go down another 20 fucking points. always good for a 20-point dump after I get taken out, or a 20-point pump. 20-point pump. I don't know. Let me get rid of that. We might go fucking north here. Murderbot. The Murderbot was kind of weak today. I think Apple's going to be. Oh, there's a bird right outside my screen. Don't be flying in the house, birdie. My cones will get you. Right, Harvey? Right, buddy? Oh, wow. Good thing I canceled that order, right? You see that? Oh, man. Yeah, people might be expecting Apple to be good. Woohoo! I got out of that shit in time. I mean, we're up fucking 1 o'clock. Oh my God. Yo, I better be out of everything in this fucking account. Let me just double check. Exit all positions, cancel all. That's that account, 63. 57. Look at 125 still in there for whatever reason. Doesn't make any sense why that account is still in there. Exit all positions, no working orders. Beautiful. Very good. Damn, we're up 50 points from that last bottom. Basically from the 200. Which one? What else do I have? Holy shit. 64. Exit all positions, cancel all. All right. That's the pivot point on the Qs. What a rejection right off the fucking pivot points. Amazing. I don't trust it though because we're talking about earnings here. I've seen pivot points get blown through like 2 or 3 at a time during a pump, like the other day. It was nuts. All right. So we're good to go in Apex. There's no open orders. I have these open orders here, but we're literally right at the pivot point on the Qs. You see post market, we're right there again. Right there again. Is it going to hold? I don't think so. There we go. I wouldn't mind, I don't know. Oh, God. Let's see what happens here. The NQ 88. Let me get out of this fucking account. I just don't know. Like, they obviously haven't talked about earnings yet. We're gonna get like this isn't even the earnings candle. This is nothing. I got 17,690. Yeah, 17,690 is the pivot point on the NQ on the 5 and 15. Right there. See that? Here's the pivot point right where you're talking about. I just don't know. I don't trust it right now because of Apple earnings. Yeah, we're probably gonna fucking pump. Watch this. Watch that level get blown through in terms of for resistance. Who knows though? Everybody's waiting patiently. This is basically the pivot point on the Qs. Holding so far. I don't trust any of this. Yeah. Apple is climbing. Why isn't this moving as much then if Apple is pumping? Let's see what Apple looks like. Oh my God, this is fucking torture. Apple. What's up, Boom? What's going on, Boom? Apple's not even up that much so far. It's not even up 1/10 of a percentage point. They must not have posted. They must. I hope they do it before the futures close. I think we're over the pivot point on the Qs now. We're right on it again. We're right on the pivot point on the Qs. Yeah, yo, guys, make sure you don't have any orders in right now. Probably not a good time to have any orders in. Although I have orders in down low. Hourly pivot point. Yeah, that became support. Where's the daily pivot point on these Qs? That a boy Jacob. Uh, yeah, we're pumping. Looks like we're pumping now. 676. Oh man, here's the pivot point. Let me get back to the 5 and 15. Pivot point is holding. Oh, we're back under the pivot point. Uh-oh. The only thing I can think is that Apple hasn't posted yet because whenever it does, it's going to go big to the downside or big to the upside, depending on what the reception is. But we're rejecting off the fucking QQQ pivot points right here. I mean, look at this. Here's the top. Again, we hit this again. 82. We're at 66. Where is the top orb on the NQ? All the way down there. But I like 613, 615. It's 25 minutes. So at 1:30. Okay. So within the next, and then maybe in the next 15 minutes, they're gonna do it right in a candle, right at a new candle. There's the 15-minute on the NQ. Look at that bounce. Look at this bounce right off the upper VWAP band. 11 to fucking 80. 69 points. Crazy. You know what? I'm gonna kill these orders because I don't want to fucking. I gotta pee. I don't want to get up and pee and then we dump 200 points and I'm in those orders. I'll get fucking daily loss limited right quick. So I'm not in anything now. The only account I'm gonna. I'm out of anything and no working orders or open positions. The only account I want to trade now is this Take Profit Trader eval test account. I'll be right back. I gotta pee. I'm doing the pee pee dance. Okay, I'm back. We're literally just going sideways until everybody's waiting for the earnings to happen. Yeah, save that for tomorrow, bro. What day are you on, Dom C? I forgot what you said. What day you were on? Yeah, I mean, so far we rejected off the pivot point again. We're down what, 20 points. I don't trust any of this. Today's day 4. Yeah. So there's no point in trying to. I can't tell you how many times I was stack close to like passing something, and then I tried to force the trades, and I fucking would nuke it. Just chill with that 55. You could get that tomorrow in one trade. You could trade micros and hit it. You know what I mean? Just wait for your setup. It'll give you something to do tomorrow. I mean, I'm sure you have other accounts, but you're in great shape, dude. I'm gonna get there too again. So far, I'm up 350 in this account, and obviously, I don't want to. I mean, do I play a bounce here? Maybe. Ugh, I'm so tempted. I got time before Apple officially posts. I don't know if I should. Fuck this. Whatever. I'm not fucking around. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I do love playing the 34 bounces and rejections. What are we doing here? Oh, I would have gotten filled. Let's see. Where's the order? 56.75. Did it hit it? It did, bro. I just don't know. We're getting real close to we're getting real close to crazy time. Maybe I should get another Apex eval account and see if I could pump it over 3,000 and get myself a fifth funded account. I feel like four is enough, but I don't know. Oh, you got a PA account? You got a new PA account with Apex? Man, Don, I know you're good at trading. I know you know your shit, but bro, I wouldn't fuck with your fucking. If your funded account is up 150 or 100 today, I wouldn't trade earnings. I would not fuck with it, man. But if you absolutely have to, literally trade one micro because you don't want to get caught. You don't want to get caught in the wrong direction when you know the earnings information finally goes public. We're gonna see like 100 to 200 point move in either direction. Yeah, with my trading style, 1,000%, bro. I might like once I get up to, like eventually I'm gonna get up to five, like 10. I might pair a couple together. Yeah, exactly, bro. 100%. It ain't worth it. If you're up some, I mean, if it's an eval, then whatever. Have some fun. What's another $37 with their 80% coupon code that I have in my description and flashing below the fucking screen you can use? Oh man, I'm getting good at just finding random fucking times to fucking plug my coupon codes. I'm such a degenerate. I'm a degenerate coupon code plugger. All right, let's see what happens. See, I mean, I'm glad I canceled that. I mean, what would I have gone up? 2 points on that long? They might be just dumping it right here just to get ready for a fucking 150 point pump. This is another level, right? 34 SMA. We gonna blow through that, or we pumping? We're getting closer to this earnings. Let's see what happens here. I'll get filled. I'll fuck around here. I'll fucking put my stop loss right here because I don't want to get fucking destroyed it if the earnings go the wrong way. You know what I mean? Because we're getting close. I think Marcus or Marco, I forgot who it was. Who was it? Let's see. Yeah, coupon. Coupon plug J. Who said it was 15, 25 minutes? Marco. Yeah, it was Marco. And that was 15 minutes ago. Yeah, see, I'm going to get fucking taken out here. It was worth it. It was worth it. Whatever. Maybe I don't. Maybe I get 200 fucking points. I don't want that many. Um, I'll take fucking, let me put a sell right here. 50. Yeah, that's a good place. Just in case we algo fucking pump up, I'll take that right there. I'll take a small L and a monster gain and whatever. Thank you, Marco. Just don't get the 25K. The 25K one sucks. Any other size would be okay. 50K, I think, is the best one, just because the other ones you have to go up a bunch, but you have more room with the other ones. Yeah, I mean, but you know what? You're talking boom. Yeah, I mean, it's not it's not a bad way to look at it, but at the same time, just don't let yourself go fucking 60 something funded accounts deep like me before you get your first payout. You know what I'm saying? Because the shit, it does add up. You know, and I don't I lost count on how many tests I failed with Take Profit Trader. I'm at 300, and the next eval I get from Apex is going to be number 317. Like, dude, it adds up. But in the present time, it's only $37 if you're using, especially at a 50K size account with their 80% coupon code. That's going to last forever. They never. I don't think they're ever going to go back down below 80%. They were always at 71% was their default coupon code, and then they would run promotions like 80%, 90%, all that stuff. But they've basically been at 80% for the last 6 weeks in a row. And even when they weren't at 80%, you're like, a 90 or 80 promotion would end, they'd be at 71% for like a day, and they would announce a new fucking special because no one's going to buy evals at 71% or resets. Your wrist hurts. Yeah, you made 400 million trades today, tactical. What I don't want to happen here is we fucking flash dump and I get taken out for the L, and then we fucking go and hit, and then we fucking pump. I just want it to pump. If it's gonna pump, I want it to pump and not dump first. So we're getting closer. Yeah, I mean, it really all depends on what Apple did. Steve Jobs ain't around anymore. What's Apple doing so far? All right, it's up more. It's up point. It was only up 0.05 and 0.09 or whatever. Now it's up a third of a percent in anticipation of good earnings, maybe, potentially, possibly. Well, here we are. Here's the 300 on the fucking 15. Not that it matters. None of this really matters right now. All that really matters um, is what happens with this earnings report. I'm gonna get fucking taken out. I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna move down a little lower. What's the worst that could happen? I give away all my gains. What is that? 15 points? 17 points? That's here. Watch it come down to the 200 and then bounce off of that and run 200 points. I'll be fucking pissed. I'll fucking give away all the gains. I don't care. I just don't want to get caught in like a quick little flashy dump before we pump. So whatever. Well, that's too much. Let me do it here. Sell one stop. Willing to go back to break even. Yeah, I mean, they haven't really came out with anything new. They just have all the same shit. They kill it though. I mean, obviously they're a fucking huge company. I'm a big Apple guy. I got MacBook Pros. How many MacBook Pros do I have in my house right now? I got one, two, three, four, five. Five MacBook Pros that all get used. I got iPads. We all have iPhones. All of my kids have phones. So there's 6 iPhones in the house that are being used. There's probably like 2 or 3 that are just sitting around in drawers because they're not being used anymore. I'm freaking Apple all day. I got an old iMac in the closet. I got a 17-inch MacBook Pro in a box somewhere in this place that I had from 2010. It still works, actually. It just needs a new trackpad. I spilled water on it. Those things, those old 17s were fucking dope. Big fucking 17-inch laptops. Let's see what happens here. We're getting close, Marco. You still there, Marco? Oh yeah, you are. You still here? Almost prime time. Need some agua. I mean, I'm up right now, but that doesn't mean shit. None of this matters. I guess I could lock in games right now and just play it safe, but what fun is that? I think Marco said around 1:30. Marco said like, yeah, it's gonna be around 1:30. Then we're gonna see some crazy shit. 8 minutes until Apple. Yeah, 1:30. Knowing my luck with this shit, it's gonna dump low enough to take me out of this position, and then it's gonna pump forever. But we'll see. You know what else is gonna happen? I think when it's 8 minutes until Apple. I bet when we get to like the 125 candle, the 125 candle is going to start moving around a little bit more violently before it finally just pumps or dumps. I'm long right now, but I got a stop in place that basically if I get taken out here, I will be back to break even on this Take Profit Trader account. I'm actually up right now, but I don't know. I don't care. I'm playing for the long. If it works out, maybe I should play for the short too. So what I'll do is like, I'll get taken out here. I'll get filled here. I don't think these moving out, like honestly, like moving averages aren't going to matter at all once they go, once they start talking about their earnings. Once it goes public or whatever, and everybody knows, and all the fucking computers start. I'll do this. I'll get filled there. Imagine it fucking Al goes down, I get taken out, and then I get filled short, and then it goes up 200 points. Let's see if that happens. Let's see what happens here. Maybe I should go down. Maybe I should take my fill below the 200, just in case I get fucked like that. And then what I'll do is I will buy 25. I'll buy it like, I'll take myself out at like fucking 60. 49. That's less than 100 points. Like right there. No, it's like 70. 72. All right, so now I'm set up for either direction. Let's have some fun. For the stream, baby. For the stream. It's not gonna just not move, that's for sure. Getting close. Here's the 125 candle. Woo! We're on some Degen shit here. Do not do this. Do not try this at home. Results not typical. This is for educational purposes and entertainment purposes only. This is not trading advice. Trade at your own risk. If you're going to do it at all, though, do it with an account you don't give a shit about. Like a brand new test account or eval. The suspense. The suspense. I should just take my $80 and be happy. But I'm not doing that. Creek ATM bracket for the short so that it has stop loss that won't affect if you don't get taken out. Inversionista, I am long and short. Maybe. I don't. Dude, what's up, Michael? Not playing, bro. You've been hanging out with me long enough to know I fucking blow through accounts. This one's either I'm probably gonna win in either direction, but I'm already in a long. I'm up. I've been in a long for a while. I don't remember when I got in. When did I get in? Uh, I got in this. I got in one long at 17,649.50. Yeah, 17,649. I got in at 416. So basically 10 minutes ago, I've been in this fucking long, just chilling. So I have my stop in place in case we dump. I'll get taken out basically at break even on the account overall, probably a little bit more than break even. And then if we dump, like I'll get filled and then I'm playing to get taken out around 72. Because if we dump, it's going to be 150 to 200 points. Actually, if we pump, it's going to be the same. It's going to go 100 to 50, 100 to 150, 200 points in either direction, most likely. It's Apple. I should care more about the take profit trader accounts because they're a lot more than Apex accounts. Just, oh my God, 3 more minutes, Marco. Yeah, right now. What's up, Andy? Yeah, in like 2 minutes, I think. That's what Marco said, 1:30. It just better not flash dump take me out and then pump. Because then I'll be fucking pissed. If that happens, I'm gonna like, I will mark it in long. I hate marketing in, but I'll do it. I'm not afraid to. I just don't like to. What's going on, Andy? Everybody's waiting for the shit show. 2 more minutes, less than 2 minutes. It's going to start moving. I feel like it's going to start moving a little bit more now that we're getting real close. That candle's not counting down. Yup. A minute and 9 seconds. Let me get back in here. All right, here we go. Now it's happening. It's about to happen. Is this the fake out right here? This is the fake out. Yo, I think they laugh at us. They probably have a meeting every day. Be like, there were guys. We need to do better. There were only 70,000 accounts blown today. We need to get to 100,000 accounts blown. Oh, right now, oh my God, yeah. You know how many accounts are going to get nuked? I'm done trading with my Apex account. All I have are 4 funded accounts, and I traded 3 of them. The other one is the one that I have requested a payout for, so I don't want to fuck that one up. I'm just waiting for them to approve it before I start trading again. But if we get into a time frame where I need to start trading to put myself in a position to qualify for another payout, and during the next withdrawal period. Oh, I almost got taken out. Did you see that? Boom! Exit all. Exit all. Oh man, dude, did you see that? It almost took me out. It went right to the 200. I almost got completely fucked. Oh my God. Oh, and I'm right underneath the 50. I did the math right. Woo! You seen it here. I gotta clip that shit. Doing my best Chaz from Wedding Crashers impression. That was fucking crazy. That was amazing. Oh boy. I don't even care what happens now. I don't need to trade shit. I should get a fucking. Oh, I wish I had another Apex eval. Oh my God. Nuts. Nuts. Dude, I said, watch me get fucked. Watch it hit that stop and then pop and then go and take me out up here. I would have been done. It literally, where was that order? It was like a fucking point away. Let me move this up more. Hold on a second. That was wild. Because I have this in my Brave browser, not in Chrome. All right, so the order was 17,633. Where did we get down to? Here's the wick. 17,633.75. I was 3 ticks away from that smoking this test account. 3 ticks away, bro. Guys, fucking nuts. Oh, what's up, Macon? Thanks for stopping by the stream. You don't see anybody else taking trades doing this shit. I was willing to risk it all, baby. Risk my Take Profit Trader, my brand new Take Profit Trader account. Not even a point, bro. I think it was like 3 ticks, 3/4 of a point. Ah, man. Yo, Macon, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Entertaining degenerate trading coming from this area. I stream every day, bro. I stream every day during trading hours. Like usually, like I try to hop on around 1:30, 2 o'clock. Today I got on at like 2:30. But I'm always every day I'll be trading, and then really all depends on what's going on in the house. I got like dogs and kids and stuff. I got to feed them. I got to feed myself, and then I post updates on whatever prop firms I'm working with. Right now, it's Take Profit Trader and Apex, and I'll post updates every day about that. Oh, no doubt. Awesome. Oh, awesome, man. You're still around. That's good. Oh, shit. What's happening? Tim Cook just choked on a raisin at the podium. Breaking news. Tim Cook is choking right now. Needs the Heimlich, needs mouth to mouth. Apple's dumping. That was fucking crazy. 30 people watching. Yes, guys. Awesome. Hope you're enjoying the stream. I'm enjoying it. This is fun. I mean, I'm done. I don't need to trade anymore, but let's just see how this thing plays out. That was fucking awesome. Yeah. Yeah. I just, my channel, I need to get, I hope so too. I mean, I have every intention of growing, Andy. Thank you. I really appreciate it. It's just a matter of just being consistent. Like I'm basically a little over 4 months in since I started this. I'm at 267 subscribers. Like the subscriber count's been going up every day. I need to get to my first big goal in terms of subscriber counts is 1,000. But I need to get my other social media. Yeah, thanks, Saad. Did you try? Did you take it with me? Were you willing to risk nuke an account? I want to get to 1,000. If I get to 1,000, like right now, like look, we have 30 people on the stream with only 267 subscribers. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good turnout. There's more than like 10%. 10% of my the amount of subscribers I have. Obviously, there's going to be drop off. Some people get tired of me and all that stuff, but you guys are all awesome. There's always good energy in the chat too. There's no like haters and shit like that. Oh, I feel like I need some haters because that's how you're growing real good. But yeah, I had one guy comment on one of my videos basically telling me that I talk like I want to know what I act like I act like I want to know what I'm talking about, but I don't. And then I was like, I didn't want to start a problem with the guy. I was like, bro, I just secured my first payout, man. Knowing what you're doing versus actually knowing what you're looking at and knowing what to do is completely different than actually being able to execute it and not letting emotions get in the way. So execution, I'm at the point where execution is the biggest thing for me and but like, haters are good. I need more haters. That's how I know I'm growing fast. But I'm cool with this. I think I could get to 1,000. My goal is to get to like 1,000 subscribers by maybe the end of June. I don't know. I feel like I'm gaining momentum. But yeah, my first goal is 1,000 subscribers, and then obviously I want to 10x what I have. So if I'm at 267 subscribers, if I could get to 2,670, that's a goal too. Yeah, and I asked him like, have you received the payout yet? You know what I mean? I was like, and I wasn't trying to be a dick to the guy. I was like, I appreciate you, man. Thanks. Have you received a payout yet? And they never replied. Will I ever use a trade copier like Quant Tower or something? Maybe. Probably the first thing I'll do is set up the groups. You know, you could do the groups in Tradeovate. Well, I can in here because I only have one account. But let me show you my, you know, I'm sure you know about the groups. You can create groups and put accounts together in Tradeovate. That would might be the first thing. But Andy, I mean, you see me. You've been hanging out with me long enough to know that it might not be the best idea for me if I group, because if I have three accounts grouped together. Let's say I have like 12 funded accounts and I have three, like they're grouped in threes. If I nuke one of them, I'm going to nuke them all in that group. So I don't know. I thought about it. I'm going to have to at some point. I'm going to have to. But right now, I'm not. I'm too. I'm too reckless. Yeah, I'm too reckless, man. Still, I'm working on being less and less reckless every day. But I fucking nuked a fucking funded account yesterday. You know, that was in really good shape. I nuked a take profit trade a test account again today. That was in really good shape. I was up $2,000, almost just under $2,000 after in day two, and I was like, oh, I want to push it over 2,000. I got in a fucking trade. It was actually in a good spot, but I sized up too soon, and then it fucking literally took me out minutes later. So I gotta I need to minimize that. I'm working on minimizing, and I'm getting better at it every day, but I'm not grouping anything together until that's really, down to few and far between in terms of occurrences. The first, oh my God, oh yeah, dude, that was, which one was it? Oh God, I gotta look through. I have let's see. I'm gonna find it because I've had a couple where I was just completely fucking pissed off. But hey, you can't, you gotta, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, like if I'm gonna be talking about my journey, like I gotta show you all of it. I could probably go by view count. Popular. Is it this one? Watch how a loser trades the NQ with Apex prop firms? No. Had all funded account up nice until. Uh, will I ever fucking learn? Is that it? Oh man, there's so many of them, dude. uh, here's one. Look at this. All these are nuked except for this one. This is the one. This. Oh, that's the one I just did. Uh, I mean, there's so many of them, bro. Oh, eight. What the fuck is wrong with me? Wait, I gotta find that shit. I gotta watch it over again. I gotta find this shit. What's up, buddy? Uh, oh, this is it right here. Yeah, I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna watch this one. Yeah, yeah, man. I'm not a bad trader. I'm not that bad of a trader. I mean, that was like luck. Like I was three ticks away from getting taken out and and smoking another take profit trader account. But I'm not that bad. I finally secured my first Apex payment. Well, I didn't secure it because they haven't approved it, but I was able to. I never got this far. This is the first time for me right there. So, which is fucking amazing. Um, but I haven't. It hasn't been approved yet because I still have my full trailing max drawdown. That's how I know it hasn't been approved. Other than but I don't want to refresh that page anymore because I want to make a video of me refreshing it and it goes to approved status because that will just be fucking baller and a celebration. So like, yeah, it hasn't been approved because I bet I still have that full. Yeah, I still have the full trailing max drawdown. That's how I know for sure. So I didn't even trade in this account today. I'm not messing with it. I'll wait a couple of days. I think I could wait until like Monday or Tuesday and then I feel like I'm going to have to trade so I could push it up again and qualify for another withdrawal potentially. Yeah, man. You know, just gotta fucking just got to stick to the plan. And then like even from that month ago when I posted that video, like I've definitely established some quality rules in terms of setups that I look for, and it's just I got to learn how to take L's. That's the biggest thing, like being better at taking L's and not being so stubborn and committed to my thesis that if it's wrong, then it's wrong and I take an L. But it's when I start adding because I'm like it's I have to be right. I have to be right, and that's when I get in trouble. And shit just accounts just disappear real fast when you do shit like that. Start sizing up. Yo, Dom, if it was only 300, does that mean you were trading micros? Because if you got caught in this move with fucking a mini, it would have been like $1,000. Like look what I got on this trade. I didn't even get all of it, but I didn't need all of it. I got $1,130 from that trade with one mini. So hopefully it was micros. But you got it back, bro. You good. You hit your target. Yeah, it was two contracts. So maybe you were in one mini. You were in one mini. Yeah, yeah. All right. So yeah. So you were in full degenerate mode. What were you short? What you went contrarian to me? You did the anti J trade. That works a lot of times. Believe it or not. Do the opposite of what I'm doing, and you'll be fine. But look, this is good. This is good for Apple. Oh, Apple's up almost 6%. Oh, now it's 6%. Damn. There you go. I guess it was good. I could have got another fucking account funded right here, like an Apex account. But I mean, what am I doing? Or easy. I mean, shit. Could have got a 150 funded. Yeah. Yup. Yeah, Dom, I feel you, man. So yeah, there we go. Probably going to be moving around like this for the next 16 minutes. I mean, at least the NQ, because the market's going to close in 16 minutes. But yeah, I'm done for today. So I'll give you a quick recap, guys, and then I'm gonna call it a day. So 57 is the account that I am in line to get my first payout from. I already submitted my request. I didn't trade in it today on purpose. Didn't want to do anything that could, potentially put me under. And then they say you're not you're under, so you're not going to get paid. So I'm leaving that alone for now. I wasn't even really I wasn't even focused on it. I just pretended it wasn't even in there. Then this is day two. This is a day two funded account. Got it up 350 today, basically with one trade before the stream. This one I did during the stream. One trade, got 427 bucks after fees. Played a 34 bounce on the 1 minute. This is also one trade. Could have got a little bit more, but I moved my stop in place right, and I was glad I did because I lost. You only get a couple. You only get like 2 or 3 opportunities to lock in gains or take profits or get out of a bad fucking trade. And this one was up more. This one was up around this, and then it came down. I went red, and then it came back, and I was up almost 400 bucks. So I put a stop in place to lock it in. I came within like 3 points of hitting my take profit before it came back down and hit my stop, and then it kind of dumped after that. So I'm glad. 306 is fine for day one. 64 and 65 are on day one. And then I had to get a new take profit trader account. I was up a few $100, and then most of you guys saw what happened here. I was I literally was 3 ticks away from getting taken out, and then it pumping because I was in a long position for a while. I got in this long like right around here at 116, I think 116 and 117. I was just waiting. Had some orders in place. I had an order to a stop in place at 17,633. You can see it here. I canceled it obviously. Um, and it came within 3 ticks and then fucking bounced. And I had a sell order here at 17,706, and I got filled, and it took me to 1,475 on day one. So it's a good first day for a take profit trader test account. I'm underneath the consistency rule. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, Apple, man. Apple's pumping. Yeah, I've had those days. But hey, all that matters is that you finished up, right? Had a little scare. It is what it is. You finished up. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the stream now. Got some housekeeping to do and stuff. Like I gotta make some update videos for today, and then I gotta actually get to work like in my business stuff. Get on the phone with my partner because he was waiting. He tried calling me before. That's what you heard my phone ringing. Tactical. Did you trade it? Before I get off, I want to know if you traded. Did you go short? I hope not, because all of those accounts you had were up. Let me know, and then I'll end the stream. I'm just curious what you end up doing. You did. I mean, it could have went either way. That's the thing about these earnings. Like, it could have fucking dumped. I mean, we're up 100 points basically from where we were chilling. We were kind of going sideways right around here. We're up 100 points from when the earnings popped. Okay, you only lost 100. That's considering where this went. That's pretty good. Yeah, you could trade. Yeah, yeah, because it's futures. As soon as the market opens back up, you could. Well, yeah, the market closes at 5. The market closes at 5. Futures close at 5, and then they reopen at 6. But I wouldn't trade past. I wouldn't hold any positions past like 150, past like 457, 458, because you will get liquidated, which is not the worst thing in the world. They'll just take you out of your position. Um, So if you want to keep trading, because there is a lot of movement right now because of all this earnings stuff, if you do want to keep trading, I wouldn't trade beyond like one. I keep saying one because that's my time on the East Coast. I wouldn't trade. Well, you're in Central Time, right? You said you're in Houston's side. I wouldn't trade. I wouldn't trade beyond like the next 7 or 8 minutes. At the 57 or 58 minute mark, I would be out completely, and then you could restart it at 6 p.m. Eastern time. Futures takes an hour nap and then reopens for another 23 hours. Oh, yeah, no, no big deal. I do online marketing, um, like affiliate marketing stuff. Me and my partner, we've had a company together. I've been doing this stuff since like '05. Um, you know, did a lot of like started off like being a guru like in the marketing world and just building up email lists and pounding them with affiliate offers. It's evolved since then. I got pretty good at paid traffic and SEO. So me and my partner, we do a bunch of affiliate marketing with paid traffic, some email stuff. We used to do a lot of email, don't really do it anymore. And then I also generate leads for local businesses. So like if someone's looking for junk removal per se, they need to get their house cleaned out or their garage cleaned out. Like I have properties out there on the internet that rank on Google that someone will type in junk removal, Las Vegas, for example, and I'll have a site that shows up they'll think it's. I mean, it's like a regular site, just like anybody else's, and then they'll call it, and it's my tracking number, and it goes to one of like it goes. To, I have a client that takes the calls, and if they close a job, they give me a percentage of it. So it's just another form of affiliate marketing. I do that stuff, and then now this is like a new thing. I even flip metal. I flip gold and silver on eBay because I'm a degenerate, you know, metals, precious metals collector. I got all types of stuff, and I flip on eBay too. I have an eBay store. I do a little bit of everything. I'm self-employed entrepreneur, and now this is like my newest. Well, the prop firm stuff. It's like my latest thing, in addition to everything else. Um, but I've always been a degenerate trader, so this is just perfect, and I could make a little bit of money telling people about my coupon codes as I build my channel up, and share my journey. But really, I want to. Some people only make money as an affiliate with these prop firms talking about their journey. They don't actually get much money doing the actual, prop firm trading. I want to be like. I mean, there are definitely a handful. There's definitely guys that do. I want to be like them, where I'm getting most of my money doing the trading. You know, and yeah, if I get a little bit of money from people using my coupon codes, that's great too. That helps keep me going. It helps keep me. But obviously we're all doing what we do to make money. Yeah. Yep. Exactly. I mean, social media is like there's so much traffic on social media. So yeah, I mean, it looks like we're just gonna go sideways for the rest of the day. Anyway, I'm done trading. I don't need to trade anymore. Oh, so you got a friend that does prop firm stuff and is yeah. Yeah, I mean that's oh, he has people paying him to have access to their Discord? Yeah, that's cool. He's probably transparent with them maybe more. I don't know. Well, you have access to it, so you would know. But yeah, I mean, look at that, you know? Yeah, guru stuff. I don't want to be a guru. I just want to fucking share my journey, and if people want to support me because, they appreciate it and maybe they do learn something from me, probably a lot of what not to do. They'll use my coupon code to, sign up with Apex, or they could use it on their next Apex. If they already have an Apex account, they could just pop in my coupon code on their next, test account, next eval. Same thing with Take Profit Trader, and I'll get a little bit of money. It's not a ton, it's not a lot, but it all adds up. Yeah, man, dude, I used to, I used to get, we used to target, we used to target like the job market. We used to target people looking to work from home. We were spending like it was crazy for a while. We would spend like fucking 5 to 10 thousand a day to get. We were getting leads for like we were getting like 5 to 10 thousand leads a day, and then breaking even on the back as soon as someone like I even own the CPA network. If you know what CPA marketing is, cost per action. I own the CPA network called the Offer Source, but there was too much fraud traffic. We shut it down. We basically had it to offset our to get paid higher commissions. Get paid higher commissions on the offers we were promoting to go direct with people that own offers. But yeah, we would get the lead. They would opt in, and then we would send them. They would get sent to an offer as soon as they opt in on the thank you page, and we were like almost breaking even. And then we would just pound them with offers on with email, and it was crazy for a while. It was awesome. Damn, you got a payout of 40K. What prop firm was he working with? Man, I can't wait to say I've gotten 40K in payouts. That's nuts. That's awesome. 20 accounts. At least he could say he did that. Not many people can say that. That's for sure. So now he's just in the vicious cycle of just nuking accounts. I know what that's like. You gotta end this. You gotta break the cycle. Yeah, 40K, man. There's people that are doing this that'll never even get one payout. Unfortunately, I hope it's nobody in here. I hope everybody in here gets paid. Obviously some of you have gotten payouts, but you know how it is, man. Very low success rate. All of this stuff. Ha! Dude, that's awesome, man. That's great. Well, at least you still live. At least you did good enough then to live off of it. You know. I wish I could say the same. You know what I was doing? Well, before COVID, I I, I lived on. I had my house built on Long Island in 2011, 2010, or whatever. I dumped all my, and this is when crypto wasn't even really worth much. I dumped all my money into my fucking backyard. You know, pavers, pool, fence, uh, pavers around the pool. You know, like $200,000 into my fucking backyard. All I had to do was just put that in like fucking, you know, Bitcoin or Ethereum or Binance or any of these coins that fucking went up a ton. And then I even borrowed some money on that to put. I borrowed some of the money for the pool, and then I sold my house and moved to Vegas, and I paid off my pool for another 4 years while someone else was swimming in it, and all I had to do was just dump all that money into crypto, and I'd be telling the same story about how you were telling me how you were living off of GME and COVID money. Dude, you still have a few years left. You got to fuck around with the meme coins on Dex tools. Some of these coins go up like fucking 100x, but you know with small money. But yeah, yeah, dude, you'll. I mean, 3 years is a long time from now. I mean, I it took me 6 months to get my first payout, but that's because I'm an idiot. So I'm sure you'll get to the point where you're you're probably getting close already. Where you're super consistent and like you have you know accounts with multiple prop firms and everyone's sending you money. You know, but I mean, you have a few years left. It's fucking crazy, bro. Yeah, yeah, you gotta adjust. What's crazy is we came back to all those pre-COVID levels, and beyond. But there's opportunities, man. There's always opportunities. But anyway, markets close. Yeah, here we go. Little last minute pump or something or whatever. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna head out. I got to make these update videos and hop on the phone. So I will talk to you guys very soon. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Th- That was a crazy trade. Glad some of you got to see it. If you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe, leave a like, all that fun stuff. My coupon codes are flashing at the bottom. They're in the description if you want to support the channel that way. If not, no big deal. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Peace out.